you ever want to be humbled, just post your hair transformation for the internet to see. Like, they will humble you, babe. No doubt about it. I posted my hair transformation video last night, and like, the amount of people, they're like, I liked it better before. In my comments, like, ma'am, that's not a compliment. Jeez. No, y'all might have thought the shorter hair looked more natural on me, and I hate using the word natural because I feel like nothing about me is natural. Quite frankly, I don't like a natural look. If you guys have been following me for these years that I've been on this app, y'all know this. I love full coverage makeup. Like, I like to draw my brows on. I want Barbie hair. I had two-tone Christina Aguilera hair before. You know, guys, I love getting my nails done. They're not natural. I don't like the word natural, my name used together. Like, so I don't know if that makes sense. Not everybody wants to be or look natural. And I know that seems odd to people, but it's just the truth. I used to weigh 400 pounds, okay? I lost 200 pounds. And I've never had thick hair. And of course, when you go through extreme weight loss like I did, you lose a lot of hair in that process, and by golly, I did. And I always, when I was younger, envied girls with long, gorgeous hair that they could curl like this, because I never could do that. I never had hair like that. So one day, when I could afford it, I wanted to be able to get hair like that, because I can't grow hair like this. I have naturally thin hair. It would never look like this, even if I grew it out myself. And when I got my extensions, I just felt like a baddie, okay? I felt the most feminine that I ever felt. I went from 400 pounds, and I'm an above average height woman. And when you are always the biggest girl, and I felt like a linebacker, I'm just being honest, that's how I felt inside my body. I felt beautiful. And then my long hair makes me feel feminine. It makes me feel beautiful. And you may think that that shorter hair makes me look younger or more feminine or more beautiful, but it matters what I see in the mirror when I look at myself. And when I have shorter hair and I look in the mirror, do you know what I see? I see the old me, and it bothers me immensely. And I know it may not make sense to some of you, but I don't want to see her. I fought so hard to get away from her. And when I look in the mirror with my shorter hair, that's who I saw. And my shorter hair I'm referring to that I just had recently, guys, I still had my extensions in. They were just cut. My extensions were still in my head, giving me fullness and to make my hair all one length. Even though my hair has grown significantly, even while still having extensions, and my hair is way healthier than it was, I still had extensions in. So, and I want to give you this analogy. A bride-to-be puts on a dress, and maybe it is the best you've ever seen her look, and she looks so good in it. But she doesn't feel confident in it for whatever the reason is. But she puts on another dress. You know what? It's not your favorite pick. You don't think she looks the best you've ever seen her look in it, but she has this confidence that cannot be shaken in that dress. What dress do you want her to get and wear? The one that makes her feel confident, regardless if you think it looks the best on her. And for me, for whatever reason, having longer hair gives me a confidence. And you may not agree with that, and that's okay. Like, if you see something and you don't like it, you don't have to tell them you don't like it. Don't hurt somebody's self-confidence. Please don't. Now, if someone asks you, do you like this or that better, and they're asking your opinion, be honest. Obviously, I wasn't asking. Okay? You know, you wouldn't want to walk into work the next day after having a big hair transformation and you feel your best, and they're like, girl, you should have kept it the same. So it's going to make you feel fugly real quick and in a hurry, okay? That's how I felt. In my mind, it separates me from who I used to be. It makes me a different person. It makes me feel sexy. It makes me feel very feminine. And that's why I like my long hair. And that's just is what it is. So for now, this is what you're gonna see me have. And please be nice, okay? Let's not hurt people's self-confidence, whether it's intentional or not. Thank you. People are worried about me becoming a new first-time mom with this long hair. Honey, that's the point. I need to feel my best, look my best in all these pictures. Come on now. Anyway, the hair is here to stay. I like Barbie hair. This is my version of Barbie hair and makes me feel the best about myself. So be nice, please.